What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. I had some footage yesterday that I wanted to put out, but it got corrupted, and so I put only some of it in my video from yesterday. But I wanted to come here and make sure I got it right for you guys, so you guys can get the proper look at these Lebron 16s, the black colorway they just dropped, and see what else they have here in the Foot Locker, man. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. Subscribe to your boy if you are new. Don't forget to hit the notification bells also, and leave comments on things you see here. Without further ado, let's go inside, you dig? Man, these are still hitting to me, bro. These Dodger Blue, I call them Dodger Blue because we out here in LA. These Dodger Blue ones, these are fire, bro. What do you guys think about these? Did you guys cop these or pass on them? You know, the quality on them looks real plush, bro. What do you guys think about these? Did you guys cop these or not? Let me know in the comment section below. Typical stuff. And then you see what we got here. Now, last time we was here, I was not able to get the full detail. I thought I did, but my footage got corrupted or something like that. These are fire, bruh. These are really dope. The Lebron 16s, they did their damn thing on these ones, man. It wasn't a miss on this at all. This was a hit. The colorways they dropped so far for these are fire. I like the black suede on here with the red lion eyes. Fire, bro. What do you guys think about these shoes? Did you guys go after these? They only have about like 6 pair left here, so they are going off the shelves pretty well. I mean, that red up underneath all that black, that makes the shoe really dope, man. It's like a lower cut shoe. It's not as a high top or more, I don't know, it just looks like a lower cut shoe than the last Lebron. It's not heavy. It's pretty light on the hands. I like the red Air Max and like you zoom through that whole thing right there. What do you guys think about these? Were you guys going after them or not? They are a $180.85 price point for these. Yeah, bro. These right here are dope. The bottoms are sick. Got the LeBron logo right there. Looks like old school LeBron. So that's gonna be his new symbol, huh? That's fire, bro. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. I'm here at the Foot Locker in North Hollywood, you know, the place I live at. And this is one of the more low-key Foot Lockers, but they had these on deck, bro. So if you guys want yourself a pair, come on down here. There are a few sizes left. Let me know what you think about these in the comment section. And yeah, man, I wanted to make sure I make up for the last video because I thought I had more footage available than I did, and now I do. So let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. These are fire, bro. Now, this Foot Locker actually have these 13s that got recalled or something like that. If you guys know more details on why they got recalled and only the children's sizes were available, let me know. There were some places that were able to, you know, get your hands on them early. I wonder how that worked out if they sold the shoe early and then Foot Locker or Jordan called for them back. But these were dope, bro. This colorway was pretty fire. They only have them in kids sizes. I mean, you might be able to find some people with the adult sizes, you know what I'm saying? But they will be hitting you over the top for the shoes because they were recalled. And I don't know if they're gonna be released. These are fire though. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. If you guys were able to cop them, let me know. If you guys wanted to cop them but was not able to, let me know also. They have them here in some kids sizes. I don't know if they would still be more, you know, kind of limited, being that the adult sizes were taken off the shelves. But I don't know. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these in the comment section, because these are pretty dope, bro. They are hitting. Yes, indeed. That's that new NMD pack. We did that review before. Let me know what you guys think about these. Now, what do you guys think about these denim Air Max 90s, bro? These are fire, bro. What do you guys think about these? Denim blue Air Max 90s. Are you guys a fan of when they put denim on shoes? I know a lot of people like them denim 4s, and all the colorways they came out with those. But what do you guys think about these denim Air Maxes? Are these a cop or a pass, fire or trash? 120 price point. I don't know if these are for kids only. I only see, oh, these are for women's actually. So the ladies out there, let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. You got that denim upper with some suede on there. Then you got that gum bottom. Very nice shoe. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these in the comment section below, of course. You dig? Ladies, this also in the ladies section here. What do you guys think about these Huaraches? It's a different type of cloth right here going on. I don't know. They came up with some different materials for these. Got the gold hints on there. It's like a white, gold, and tan shoe. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? Huaraches 125. Not too bad, man. These Huaraches ain't bad. Ladies, if you guys are watching, or anybody, let me know what you guys think about these down below, you dig? Okay, so here we go. We got the LeBron 16s and the LeBron 15s. Of course, you guys know this silhouette. It's been out for about a year now. What do you guys think about this shoe compared to the LeBron 16? I'm trying to see what the cut looks like on these shoes, if this is a little bit lower. I think the LeBron 16 is a little bit lower cut than the 15s are, which I think is a great thing. Let me know what you guys think about that. We're going to line them up right next to each other and see. If you could tell, I mean, it's a little bit lower, not too much different, but it's a little bit lower than the LeBron 16s by like not even an inch, as you guys can see. But the cut right here is what I'm talking about. Yeah, this collar, watch, this collar on the 16 comes up a lot higher, on the 15. The collar on the 15 comes up a lot higher than the collar on the 16. It's more of a like a breathable cut right here. I think that might be more, that might be better for like traction, not so snug around the ankle area. Even though the LeBron 15 has great support and great ankle support, that's what this is here for. I think with this being lower cut, it does not necessarily take away from that support, because this fabric right here, this material here, which I have to find out the exact name of it, is a little bit more thicker than the one on the 15. So that's probably it. And this is actually, what did I say, $185 price point. They both start off at $185. This one now is $99. And like I said, this is the newest one, so of course it's going to be a little bit more. But what do you guys think about these two models right here? Which one would you guys like better? They both are pretty dope, and this one does not feel, this one feels lighter than this one, and they both are pretty light when you put them on. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section, man. These 16s are super fire. LeBron and them did their damn thing with these, and the colorways that they are dropping are ridiculous. And I mean, the 15s, they came out in plenty of colorways that I liked here too. Out of the 15s, let me know which ones you guys like the best. And so far, out of the 16s that dropped, which one do you guys like the best too? Them what those was super fire. These are dope, and I got some other multicolored ones that just dropped or are about to drop. So let me know your thoughts and opinions on these in the comment section below. And the quality on it is really nice too. Really nice.
One thing I don't like about the pine greens is this tumble.
Foot Locker today. Hopefully you had a great day wherever you are in the universe. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. Smash the like button. Let me show you guys one of my favorite shoes that's now in my collection. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. I've done plenty of sneaker reviews, you know what I mean, from shoes I get from the store. This is my first official unboxing from a brand sending me some shoes to review on camera. So I'm excited. Shout out to Sneaker Project for this opportunity. They do have some great shoes. I've reviewed some of these shoes before going to Finish Line. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. Please give me your feedback. All the feedback as much as possible in the comment section. Smash the like button or dislike button if you like the video or dislike the video. Let me know all the feedback possible, man. If you are new to the channel, Make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be updated on every single thing your boy Bossco drops. Unboxing, sneaker reviews, in-store reviews.